Your infiltrates, lymphocytes, plasma cells, and I hope you could appreciate these spindle cells. These are your young fibroblasts, no? Representing beginning fibrosis. So those are the three components of your granulation tissue, which is definitely different from your granuloma. Okay? There. You see the pinkish, remember, what does a fibroblast secrete or lay down? What substance? Letter C. Collagen. And collagen in the background is pink. So you know that's kasi minsan there are cells that are pink. Di ba madami spindle cells, mapagkamalan mo, smooth muscle, spindle lang yan. Di ba? Fibroblast, spindle rin yan. Okay? Your neural is spindle also, no? But what differentiates, how would you know a fibroblast from the other spindle-shaped cells is the pinkish background, no? Yan, no? Because it is starting to lay down your collagen, no? That's what your fibroblast secretes, okay? So I think this is the last of your slides.